everyone, I'm Raji from Raji's Craft Hobby. Welcome to my channel. Today I'll show you how to make this crochet circle without any gaps. First start off with the magic circle. And chain 2. This won't be counted as a stitch, this is just to bring your yarn to a height. And now in the circle you make 12 double crochets. Okay, once you made this 12 double crochets, pull this yarn in to close the loop. This is the 2 chains which you made, and this is your first double crochet. So make a slip stitch on top of this double crochet. Next round start with chain 2, and now you'll make 2 double crochets in each and every stitch. Again, this chain 2, it won't be counted as a stitch. Now this is your last stitch. Here make 2 double crochets. Again you will slip stitch on top of this first double crochet. Now the next round start with chain 2 and 1 double crochet in the same stitch. 2 double crochet in the next stitch. One double crochet in the next stitch. 2 double crochet in the next stitch. Now repeat this in all the stitches. 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet, 1 double crochet, 2 double crochet. Now this is your last stitch. You'll make 2 double crochets over here. And slip stitch on top of the first double crochet which you made. Now the next round again start with 2 double crochets and 1 double crochet in the same stitch. 1 double crochet in the next stitch and 2 double crochet in the next stitch. So now you will repeat the same thing, 1 double crochet, 1 double crochet and 2 double crochet. Repeat it all around. This is your last stitch, so 2 double crochets over here, 2 and slip stitch on top of the first double crochet. So now if you want to make a bigger circle, you will keep increasing in a uniform way. Here you have started with 12 double crochets, 24 stitches, 36 stitches, 48 stitches, and the next round it would be 60 stitches. So here you had made 2 double crochets in each stitch. Here you had started with 1 double crochet, 1 increase. Here this round you had started with 1 double crochet, 1 double crochet and 1 increase, that is 2 double crochets, 1 increase. So the next round you will start with 3 double crochets and 1 increase. So here you will start by chaining 2, then 1 double crochet, 1 double crochet, 1 double crochet and 1 increase. So you'll repeat the same thing over here. So the next round you will start with 4 double crochets, 1 increase, then 5 double crochets, 1 increase. I'll show you one more round. Start each and every round by chaining 2. This will never be counted as a stitch. Now here you had made 1 double crochet, 1 double crochet, 1 increase. So here 1 double crochet, 1 double crochet, 1 double crochet, 1 increase. 1, 2, 3, 1 increase. 1, 2, 3, and now you'll make 1 increase. That's 1 double crochet and 1 more stitch. So next 3 stitches, 1 double crochet and 1 increase. 2, 3, and here 1 increase. Repeat it all around. This is the last stitch. You will make 2 double crochets over here and slip stitch on top of the first double crochet. And weave off your yarn. I hope you like this video. Thank you for watching. Please do subscribe to my channel.